So for this chapter 2.5, quiz 8.4, we're going to talk about direct and inverse variation. Okay. Now this topic is very simple. It's just takes a little bit time to grasp. Okay. So let's start with the first example. It says v varies directly with x cubed. Okay. When you're given that information, that means that v is equal to some constant, non-zero constant k times x cubed. That's for the first part. The first part will give you what type of equation you need to build. On the second part, then you need to use that information to find k. So it says v equals 36 pi when x equals 3. All you have to do is plug in that information. Therefore, we have 36 pi equals k times 3 cubed. Okay? Now with that, you get 36 pi equals 3 cubed, which is 27k. Now in order to solve for k, all you have to do is divide by 27, and you have your k over 27. Okay, and that'll be all for that example. Now this one is a little bit more complex. Okay? It says t varies jointly with the cube root of x and the square of d. Again, this sentence here is to create my equation. So t varies jointly means, again, k times the cube root of x, so cube root of x plus, and oh, and my bad. So it's not sum, so it's not plus, is times the square of d, so d squared. Okay, and then you have that. And with the second piece of information, you just plug it into the equation to find k. So when t equals 18, k cube root of x equals 8, so the cube root of 8, and the cube, which is d squared, which is 3 squared. You got 8 equals k. The cube root of 8 is 2. 3 squared is 9. Okay, so 18 equals 18k, which implies that k equals to 1. Okay. Now for the last example, it's a little long. It says z varies directly with the sum of the cube of x and the square of y. That one means that z equals to k times the sum of the cube of x, so x to the power cube, plus the square of y, which is y squared. Okay, and then the second piece of information is what gives us k. So when z equals to 1, so 1 equals k times x equals to 2, so 2 cubed plus, let's see what y is, 3, so 3 squared. Okay, so that implies 1 equals to k. 2 cubed is 8. 3 squared is 9. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17, so 17k. We divide by 17, and we have that 1 over 17 is equal to k. Okay? And that will be all for this video. If you like the video, leave it in the comments below, share with your classmates, or ask me in class. Thank you.